Gentlemen, the process to become a resident of the UAE just got simpler, and it's as easy as the process that I will share with you in just 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. The benefits of becoming a UAE resident are paying 0% taxes at a personal level, which combined with the 0% corporate taxes you're gonna have with the free zone company here in Dubai makes it like the perfect scenario for business people like you and I. So how to do this step by step? Number one, you start this process from abroad. You select 3 names for your free zone company. Number one, the primary, and then 2 optional ones in case the first one is taken. Then you choose a category of your business, and as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen, voila, you have your new free zone company. Then what do? You hire yourself as part of this company. When you are part of this company, you have the right to become a UAE resident. So the next steps to enjoy this 2-year residence permit you get in the UAE is flying here and getting a medical test, which is blood test, an X-ray, boom, done, super fast. We make an appointment for you, so you don't need to wait. It's extremely fast. In 10 minutes, you've done everything, you're out. Then the private chauffeur takes you to another place, which is for the fingerprints. Everything digital. We also have an appointment, we have contacts. You don't even need to wait in the standard line, the waiting room, 15, 20 people when I did my process, which I just skipped through the line. I go there, you don't even need to get your fingers dirty. It's everything digital, super fast, you're out. Private chauffeur takes you back to the hotel. You just need to wait a few days and you're gonna have your physical card, your Emirates ID. Congratulations, you have everything to now. Next step, open a bank account. As you know, in this channel, we always recommend, I always encourage everybody to have multiple bank accounts. Redundancy. You never know what's gonna happen to the first one, so you wanna have multiple options. You open bank account with Emirates MBD, you can also open with Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. As you know, in this channel I encourage everybody to pay with credit cards, because why would you pay with debit cards what you would pay anyways for something that with a credit card gives you points, that allows you to travel the world for free in luxury class. And the same way it works in the US, and I've shared in this channel other videos on how to do this in the United States, you can do it here in the UAE. So think smart and leverage the credit game. Finally, gentlemen, there are many companies here in Dubai that help you get set up. If you want the cheapest option, you have plenty to compare to save some dollars. If you want experience more similar to flying business class or in private jet, then well, we prepared a package for the sovereign individuals that you can know more about clicking the link down below. You can book a consultation with us and we'll be happy to assist you with this process of becoming a 0% tax resident here in the UAE. This is it for today's video. Remember, this is just one part of the puzzle. There are other pieces that need to be in place in order to not infringe any laws, don't be charged for fraud or tax evasion. These are the parts that you need to put in place to avoid any future problems with high tax governments. This is Miquel Gironès from Dubai. Be extraordinary. Adeu. And yeah, check this video right here.